Hey everyone, Alec here with VEED, and in this video I'm going to be showing you 6 ways on how to make your videos longer for Instagram or any other social media platform that has a minimum video length requirement. And with that being said, let me show you how to make your videos longer. The video editor we're going to be using to make our videos longer is an online video editor called VEED. You can either head over to Google and Google VEED, which is VEED, and then click on the first link. If not, as usual, the link's going to be in the description down below. So the first way to make our video longer is to loop our video. So to do this within VEED, it's very simple. Once you've uploaded your original clip, all you have to do is either click on the plus sign at the end of your first clip or the add video button right here in the timeline. Select the same video, click on open, and as we can see, it's now added on to our previous clip. So if I click play, as you can see, our video is now looped twice. If we want to loop it a third time, all we have to do again is click on the add video button, select the same video, click on open, and now it's looped 3 times. So that is how to loop your video. Once you're happy with the amount of times you've looped your video, all you have to do is click on the export button in the top right, and then VEED starts to render your video. The next way to make our video longer is to change the video speed and slow it down. To do this within VEED, as you can see, we have our video at regular speed right now, but I want to slow it down. And to do this, if I just select my video, under the speed section here, under the settings tab, as you can see, we can change the speed to 0.5, so we can slow it down by half. And then before we click play, what we need to make sure we do is in the settings, here we click on this double-edged arrow, which basically adjusts the duration to the new length of the clip. So now if I click play, as you can see, our video is now twice as long because we changed the speed. You can also adjust the speed exactly to your liking within the settings by entering a custom number. Now, the next thing you can do to make your video longer is to add a different video clip. Again, to do this in VEED, all you have to do is click on the add video button, select a video that you want to add on to the end of this clip, and as you can see, now before I jump into how to, we now have a longer video. In my example, the video isn't relevant, but obviously you want to try and make your video relevant. It's entirely up to you. The fourth way to make your video longer is to add an intro or an outro. Again, this is very simple to do within VEED, and for our intro, what I'm going to do is add a little bit of text. So first, under the settings tab, I'm going to increase the duration of the video. So let's say I want my intro to be in 1 second. I'm going to increase my video length by 1 second. Now I'm going to click and drag my clip within the timeline, place this at the end, and here I want to add some text. So I'm going to click on text. I'm going to click on the plus button to add new text. I'm going to type crooked grind because that's the name of the skateboarding trick. I'm going to quickly make this text white right now. And then I'm just going to place it in the middle, change the font to Anton. And then here in the timeline, I'm going to click and drag to adjust it. I'm going to trim off the beginning so the text stops when my video begins playing. So now, from the beginning, if I click play, as you can see, our video is now 1 second longer. Obviously, you can make your intro as long as you want, and if you want, you can also add an outro. The next way to make your video a bit longer is again to add a bit of music, or you can add some audio, anything you want, again to the beginning of your video clip. To do this, we're going to click on the upload button, and then here we're going to select upload audio. And now I'm just going to select an audio track. I could select this one right here, and then if I click on open, as we can see, we now have an audio track imported into VEED's timeline. However, if we select it, the first thing you'll notice is that it's way too long. So what I'm going to do is under the audio tab, I'm going to trim it by clicking and dragging the end of our audio. So if I do this just like this, click and drag, then I'm going to make it just a few seconds longer than our original clip. So what I'm going to do now is go back to the settings tab, click on this double-edged arrow, and then we're going to click on fit to screen so I can see this more with precision. Now I'm going to click and drag to move my clip along so the audio plays at the beginning of my video. So now if I click play, and there you go, you now have audio to your track. This is very similar to the intro. And then the final way to make your video longer is add an image. So for an example, if I wanted to add an image to the beginning of this video right here, if I just click on upload, and then I could either select an image if I click on upload image from my documents, or I can choose an image from my brand kit. I'm going to click on upload images. Here I'm going to select this icon of a skateboard, click on open. As we can see, it's now imported into our timeline. But what I'm going to do is place it at the beginning. So again, we're kind of creating an intro, and I'm going to click and drag it so it ends exactly where my video starts. So now if I click on play, as you can see, we've now added an image to the beginning of our video and made it longer. And that is 6 ways to make our video longer. Now, if you want to make your video longer, but you literally just want to have some black video at the end, so some blank black video, all you have to do is go into the settings of your video and increase this time right here. So for example, if I increase this from 1.9 to 5.9, as you can see, our video is now 5.9 seconds long, but the last 3 seconds of this video, these last 3-4 seconds of this video are completely blank and black. Just like that. And then once you're happy with the changes that you've made to make your video longer, all you have to do is click on the export button in the top right. VEED then starts to render your video, and once it's finished rendering, you can then download it. And that is 6 ways to make your video longer using VEED's online video editor. If you have any questions, we would love to hear them in the comment section down below. If you enjoyed this video and you found it helpful, please hit the like button, the subscribe button, and the notification bell. Thanks for watching.